Yo, LEDs are really cool and really bright. I've set up this circuit here with 3 potentiometers, and these are actually in parallel. I think, yeah, they're in parallel. And the way I've set them up, if I turn this, every single one is affected. Look at that. When I turn this down, this goes up. And that's really bright. And I can adjust these however I want. I could make it be like this. I could turn this down, turn this up like this. So now, if we go to the side, we get this kind of purple, right? Or no? Apparently not. They're not close enough together. The illusion doesn't really work. But yeah, I mean, these are really cool. And I just got them, and along with that, I got a bunch of buttons and wires. You can see these tiny wires. These are new. And I was going to set up with... Here, let me just use this as like a flashlight. These transistors over here, I was going to make like an adder and use these LEDs to show stuff, but my resistors are too strong. So this is what you get. You get a really cool light show. Actually, I'm going to explain how this works. So basically, you have these wires going in, you have the plus and minus bus, and you have these potentiometers. They are base diodes, obviously, but as you turn, they change the resistance. So, as you see, I turn this, it gets darker because there's more resistance. And the way I've lined it up, because electricity takes the path of least resistance, if this is good, like all the way up, it's going to take this path. It's going to go like this and go through here, because that is the path of least resistance. But if I turn this down, then the path of least resistance is going to change. These are going to have less resistance. And if I do this, this has the least resistance. This is now the path of least resistance. And now, if I do this, turn both of these up, and turn this up, this is now the path of least resistance, and that's why this works. That's also why it has this really cool fading effect. Like that. If I turn all of these all the way up, and then turn this, it fades into each one seamlessly, and I think that's really cool. But yeah, I mean, these are LEDs, and they're really fun to play around with. I had no idea they could be this awesome until after I made this circuit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this kind of boring video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Also, I hope you loved the thumbnail. Bye.